Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to transfer money from Banque Postale. First, open the Banque Postale app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the transfers section. Here, choose whether you want to make a new transfer or use an existing beneficiary. If the recipient has not been added before, tap Add Beneficiary and enter their details including their name and IBAN. After adding or selecting the beneficiary, enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure the amount is in euros if you are making SEPA transfer. Next, review all the transfer details carefully. You can choose to make an occasional transfer for a one-time payment or set up a standing order if you want the same amount to be sent regularly at a chosen frequency. For an occasional transfer, you can send the money immediately or choose a future date for the transfer to be completed. If instant transfer is available for the beneficiary's bank, you can choose an instant SEPA transfer to send the money within seconds. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. You may be asked to verify the transaction using your security method, such as a code or authentication through the app. After confirmation, the transfer request will be processed. You can view the transfer status and details in your transaction history within the app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.